how to get unlimited referrals on Temu. Hello everyone, it's Morgan here and I am back with yet another video on Temu to get unlimited referrals on Temu. So it is a really easy and comprehensive method that you can use to get a lot of money on Temu. The first thing that you got to do is to sign up affiliate program in Temu. Go to Google Chrome and search for Temu affiliate program and open up the affiliate program and sign up with it. And after you sign up the affiliate program, you would be given affiliate code and affiliate link. And you can get up to 20% commission on every purchase from your affiliate link. So make sure you share the affiliate link on various social sites and on different Discord servers. And if you got a lot of followers on Instagram, it's a really great bonus for you. You can basically share your affiliation code or affiliate code on Discord or on an Instagram as its story, and you can earn bonus on every purchase your followers make it through your affiliate code or affiliate link. So it is another method that you can use to get unlimited referrals on Temu. Or you can basically go to the U tab and here you can see on credits and free gifts, and you can go to redeem cash. Now from here you can go to refer one friend and you can copy the referral code or you can copy the referral link, and you can share it to a lot of followers or your friends or inside your circle and make them sign up with your referral or affiliate code or link. And this is another way to get unlimited referrals on Temu. So these are some of the tricks that you can use to get unlimited referrals on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.